Pirates of the Caribbean has that smell, and Haunted Mansion has its own smell. Carousel of Progress has its own smell. It's like rotten egg.
It's a dream come true for you and me.
Score yet?
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Looks like they're repaving the road here. Magic Kingdom doesn't feel too busy today. Usually there's more crowds. Look at these big gaps of space here. You hardly ever see that. It's usually shoulder to shoulder in this area. Not complaining, this is nice. Alright, we're here at, I don't even know where I'm at here. I'm gonna get a barbecue slaw dog. Can we go up these stairs here? Let me see. I never realized how big Pecos Bill's Cafe is. I walked through it and I came out through Adventureland on this side, but when you walk into it, it's huge and lots of seating. Look at all this seating in there. This side and this side. Humongous. And all this seating.
Fear.
You see the orange bird face?
Where?
It's all smashed in there.
On the cookie? I mean, the rest of
On the apple.
Oh, here it is.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Slaw dog. We have something called the walking taco.
Where's that?
Over there.
What's a walking taco?
I don't know, so you could like, so it won't fall apart or something. I don't know how it is.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a picture of it over there.
Should I look it up? I don't see it.
It's like new, one of the new things. Soon, in the next couple of months now, all this Splash Mountain signs will be gone forever. The exit for Space Mountain is through this gift shop. This will also be the exit for Tron. And this will be the entrance for Tron. So what I think they're gonna do is put doors here and then remove all this merchandise. And then this will be kind of like Grand Central Station. They'll just walk right through here Tron people will come through here, and Space Mountain people will come out through there and then exit that way. Exit only area. Whew, hot day. This is another nice little spot I like to sit. It's in the shade. There's like a cross breeze, but it's on the floor. If you prefer seating in the shady area, there's some area back there you can sit. I think that used to be the smoking section at one time. Oh, people mover broke down again. Oh boy. That's been happening a lot. Space Mountain right now is down. Splash Mountain's down and Thunder Mountain's down. Oh yeah, lights are on in Space Mountain. Oh, cool. This damn walls in there. Oh, it's running. Here we are at the Friar's Nook. Look, I'm gonna get the Devil's Chocolate Mousse Cake. It's like the little devils in the Mr. Toad's ride. And a bottle of water. Alright, got my Mr. Toad Devil Mousse Cake. And now I'm heading to my eating spot. That's the little devil from Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. When you die at the end, miss this ride. Really good. It has like 3 layers. And the bottom is the cake area. Little thing already melted.